Well, Seymour, I made it, despite your instructions.
Welcome. I hope you are prepared for an unforgettable passenger run.
Yeah.
Oh, ye gods, the passenger cars are derailed. But what if I were to disguise those freight cars as his passenger train? Delightfully devilish, Seymour.
Seymour!
Chalmers, I was just, picking up passenger cars for your passenger run.
Seymour, why are those passenger cars derailed?
Those aren't passenger cars, those are freight cars that are being scrapped. I hope you are ready for a nice long freight train.
Yeah, I thought I was pulling a passenger train. Oh. Okay. This looks an awfully lot like a freight train that Frank is meant to pull later today.
No, it is not.
You say that despite the way Bill saying Frank on it.
The one thing I should, excuse me for 1 second.
Of course.
You should really get going with your train.
Yeah, I should get going. Good Lord, what is happening over there?
Aurora Borealis.
Aurora Borealis. At this time of year, at this time of day, in this part of the country, localized entirely within the railroad yard.
Yes.
Is that all?
No.
The passenger cars are on fire!
No, Frank, it's just the Northern Lights.
Well, Seymour, you're an odd fellow, but you shunt a good train.